In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to connect your adapters and your wires to your sound bar and your receiver. So I'm going to start with our sound bar. First thing you want to do is you want to take the cord and you want to plug it into a power source. After you plug it into a power source, go ahead and put the batteries inside of the remote control that goes along with your sound bar. Place that to the side. Next, take the audio cord that came with your sound bar and unwrap it, and take this L-shape end and plug it into the port that says aux. I'm going to lift the speaker to show you what that looks like, and I'm going to bring it around to you so you can see that up close. So right there it says aux, and that's where you're going to plug this cord into, right there where it says aux. I'm going to bring my speaker back, plug it back into power source. Next, I'm going to connect my lanyard to my wireless microphone. So your microphone's going to come with some plastic wrapped around it. Go ahead and remove the plastic. Next, take your lanyard out of the plastic bag. And then you've got these two little edges here you can connect. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those. All right. Now I'm going to grab the little belt buckle that's in here. Remove that from the bag. And then what you're going to do is open it up. So unsnap the little end here, and then you're going to loop it into your wireless mic like so, and then snap it shut. Then you can take your lanyard, disconnect it, and run it inside, place it inside of the little belt, of a little attachment here. Thread that through and then connect it. So now the lanyard is connected to your microphone. Now your microphone has a power button right here, so you can just press that power button and it will turn on your microphone. And then you have your volume buttons right here. And then here on the back is a little clip that you can clip to your lapel. So you have a couple of options here. You can wear the lanyard or just the lapel or both. I'm going to go ahead and place these off to the side, and I'm going to turn off my power button for now. Now I'm going to move over here and I'm going to connect my receiver. Your receiver came with two antennas, so I'm going to pick up the receiver, and then I'm going to turn the receiver around, and this is where you're going to screw in the antennas. Once these are screwed in, you're going to bend the antenna up into a little L shape, and then you're ready. Now make sure that your receiver is switched to audio out. We don't want it on mic, and we do not want it on line. We want it on audio out. Next, you're going to get the power adapter, and we're going to connect the prongs to it. So I'm going to remove it from the packaging. And I'm going to remove this prongs for the adapter. And all you need to do is slide the prongs right into, I'm going to demonstrate that again. You're going to take this end here and you're going to slide it into the adapter till it snaps. Next, it's time for us to connect the USB power cord. The USB power cord will have a USB on one end and then a USB-C adapter on the other end. And then you're going to just take the little twist tie off. And you're going to take this end of the USB and you're going to place it inside of the port connected to the adapter. Then you're going to take this adapter and you're going to place it off to the side. All right, now it's time to unpackage our audio cables. So go ahead and remove the audio cables and take off the wiring and place those there. And then I'm going to remove the second audio, take off the twist tie, and place these over here next to the other set of audio cables. There we go. So I have my audio cables prepped. Now it's time to unpackage our USB adapter and our splitter, our audio splitter. So I'm going to remove the USB adapter from the packaging. And it's going to come inside 2 pieces of packaging. There we go. Now I want to point out that you have a green and a red input output. So I'm going to take this and place it over here next to my audio cords. Now I'm going to unpackage my splitter. There we go. So there's my splitter. And now I'm ready to begin wiring.